Oh, fuck. Shit.
Roger, get an IED.
Son of a bitch.
1726.
I think Blake got blown out the turret.
Oh, he's out. Hold on, he's out.
11, can I approach?
50. Trail, get on the horn with battalion. Tell them what happened.
Hey, sir, get on
Roger.
3125. Get a hold of Chakcha X-ray. Let them know that Scout hit the IED, but he's fine.
Okay. I'm going to talk right now.
Son of a bitch. Wow.
Hey, Scout, I'm dismounting to find Blake.
He's back. Out of 2116.
Yeah, 16, I'm out of 21, go ahead.
Scout, this 17. Can you hear me?
I can barely hear. Yeah, I can hear you.
Is everybody okay up there?
My head's bleeding pretty fucking bad. I don't see Blake. You know where he is? Can you guys see him?
How's your driver?
He's fine. He's good. Let me help Blake.
Hey, 16 from Mata, you want us to get a medevac?
The talk crew was an injured passenger to the
CLS-1, Blake back here with the medic.
Hey, do me a favor, start working in 9 line. Don't pull them up yet, but we're going to get word to see what's up.
Okay, guys, need to know, make sure that everybody's area is clear.
Get it started.
This is Trail.
Unbelievable.
Hey, Wrecker, this Scout. We need you guys up here. Our truck won't move.
Roger, we know. Hey, Trail, this 17, send it. Roger, I sent a message to battalion that the Scout vehicle hit an IED and that the gunner was blown out of the turret and that the medics didn't. Roger, hey, we're going to probably need some recovery assistance up here. I don't think the Maxo is going to be able to get it out. Roger, you're wanting us to come up? I'll stay there. Do we have any, we got a fly rack where we can load this mine roller?
PLS-2 is empty.
PLS-3 is moving up. Get this mine roller off here somehow. Emergency jettison that thing.
Looks like it blew the vehicle forward. There's the blast hole.
Yeah. It detonated after they went through. Just blew it forward. Start searching around for...
Yeah.
17 PLS-3.
Alright, we'll go
17, send it.
around, make sure we don't see anybody.
What do you want us to come up with this flat rack?
Roger.
Roger, wait one, we're trying to make sure the area is clear. We're looking for secondaries right now.
People that have come through here with that motorcycle about 10 minutes ago.
16, this is
He was talking about those 2 individuals?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, we saw those 2 individuals a while back, and they went out to the south.
Break.
Those guys, there's another motor.
Alright, I'm turning it down. You talk to him. I gotta listen to 16.
6 or 17, this is Trail. 17, send it. Roger, did air support get us a medevac in the air, or what's going on?
Well,
I think everyone's okay. Roger, battalion's asking if we need a medevac. Do we need one? Tacker's got blood coming out of his head. The medics are looking at him right now. I'll go back and make sure the medics see what we need to do. Roger, let me know ASAP so I can let him know. Roger.
If there are any, and urgency, and I'm not sure if they've got any right now.
Okay, one of the soldiers bleeding from the head. We're going to let the medic give us that assessment. I'll give you the word, or just, make the call as soon as we find out.
Roger, appreciate it.
Alright, yeah, they went to the south, but nothing looks...
16, trail is 17, we need a medevac.
Alright, just pull it up.
Roger, I'll let him know.
I'm out of copies, we're working it.
Again.
Get that 9-line going.
Roger, I want you to know is how many personnel on urgency.
Alright, just start, I'll get that info going, get them spooled up. And 160 Fayetteville, can you tell us the amount of personnel that need to be medevac?
Yeah, we are about 10 miles southwest. We'll be transitioning about 7 miles to the west. North, low level. Register, maintain vehicle at your discretion.
Trail is 17. Trail, send it. Roger, we have one priority, one routine. No special equipment needed. Over.
10 miles northwest.
Roger, do you copy Armada?
Armada copies. One priority, one routine.
Roger.
Thanks. Alright, on Ada, I'm really not observing any movement at all whatsoever.
I'm not either. I'm going to continue to the west, see if we can pick up the dude on a motorcycle.
It pisses me off because we went right by there, we saw a motorcycle, but didn't see anything unusual.
Nope.